Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jameel. I have been recently allocated as Naibe Tahsildar, and I am here to be thankful to Sir Meher Hussain, who runs his YouTube channel as Space Academy. He has been kind and generous in providing information about the exams schedule and about various matters about the PPS examination as well as interview. I am thankful to him that he always responds in a very kind and very generous manner to students and provides information from time to time and keeps students updated. So his work is really appreciable. I really appreciate the work of Sir Meher Hussain of Space GK Academy. Thank you very much.